Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ali Farhan bin Muhammad Noor and I am from JBA 1145D. Today, I am going to talk about the potential sources of bonds total return. So let's get started. The total return of a bond can come from three sources, which are the interest on the bond, any possible capital gains or losses, and whatever rate of return you get, if you get any when you reinvest the money coming to you every 6 months. Believe it or not, on a very long-term bond, the last factor, your so-called reinvestment rate, is probably the most important of the three. That is because of the amazing power of compound interest. Next, I am going to show you the steps on computing a bond total return. The first step is to compute the total coupon payment plus the interest on interest based on the assumed investment rate formula. As you can see from the formula above, the total dollar amount of coupon interest is found by multiplying the semi-annual coupon interest by the number of periods. Total coupon interest equals NC, where C is the coupon interest, R is the semi-annual reinvestment rate, and the N is the number of periods. The second step is to determine the projected sale PX at the end of the planned investment horizon. It will depend on the projected required yield at the end of the planned investment horizon. The third step is total up step 1 and step 2. The final step is to obtain the semi-annual total return. Now, I am going to give an example. Suppose you buy a 30-year, 1,000 ringgit bond that pays 6% on a semi-annual basis. If you spend the 30 ringgit you collect twice a year, you get 1,000 ringgit back for your bond at the end of 30 years. And your total annual rate of return, ignoring taxes and inflation, is 6% simple interest. But now suppose that on each and every day that you collect those 30 ringgit checks, you immediately reinvest them at the same coupon rate. Over the course of 30 years, that pile of reinvested money grows at an annual rate of 6% compounded. In this scenario, at the end of 6 months, your investment is worth 1,030 ringgit. At the end of 1 year, your investment is worth 1,060 ringgit and 90 cents. The extra 90 cents represent a half year's interest on the 30 ringgit. The following 6 months, you earn 6% on the new amount and so on for 30 more years. Instead of winding up with 1,000 ringgit after 30 years, as you would if you spend the semi-annual bond payments, you instead wind up with 5,891 ringgit and 60 cents, and that is almost 6 times as much. That is all from me. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.